BULL, stock analysis and price predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person and only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, and I'm telling you this because I have all the proof documented on my YouTube channel. You can check it all out. It's taken me 5 years, and then unironically, it's a bearish market. So how's this going to look like? Well, you can see beforehand I had a bearish idea that was correct. I mean, sort of never caught this sell side, but did manage to come down in the like pretty much the same amount of time that I got. And then in this particular instance, it's still a bearish market. Like, it doesn't change the fact. Yeah, we came down, but that just pretty much doubles down on our previous idea, which was bearish. So in this particular instance, we're 12. The previous lows are 1160. Nothing crazy, not that far from where we are currently. And only if I see the second break, second shift, then yeah, I might as well get into a sell side. But I don't think that the risk to reward is going to be the favorable amount, right? So therefore, maybe only if the price climbs up and gives me some sort of confirmation here, then I'm going to take it down. But I'm not going to force anything, right? So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.